Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. I'm going to show you a little magic trick today. Bet you guys didn't know I was the magician, huh? You ready? Hocus pocus. There you go. A little bit of Hot Wheels magic there for you. Today we have a few things from our friends at World's Smallest Hot Wheels. And we're going to show you those. I love getting stuff from these guys. Really cool bunch of people. So let's get started. Let me get back to all the stuff that we have with the help of magic, TV magic. There you go. All right. First of all, we get a. I'm going to put these down so you can see me a little clearlier. Clearlier? Is that a word? This is the collector's race case, which is, see, magically appeared, which is this one right here. I want to say this is from, says 69 on the case. So yeah, 69, 70. And this is a replica of it. This is how it comes in the package. And it's shaken. So I think, yeah, this one is too. See, I got one over here. And you can put your cars that you open up in there. And we have a whole bunch of these open. Paisley got them, well, ever since they've been sending these to us. I think Paisley was probably a year old, 2 years old, and she was always helping me with these videos. But right now she's in school. Imagine that. Time flies, huh? So, yeah, car comes in this one. You can, when you open these up, and you can put your cars in there, there's room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cars, just like here. But this one is a 12, I believe. But, you know, there's not much room in there for the really, really small ones. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for this one. But it's really cool how they made it just like the other one, the big one, you know. Let's see what the cars are. We have the, let's go with the Fleetside, Custom Fleetside. Here is one that is out of this package. All right. And here is the Redline one, purple, just like this. And let's see if we can open this little bugger up. Got a nice little door in the back, so you don't have to mess up the packaging. And man, there we go. Got it out. Got a little plastic, a little plastic protector in there. Look at that. You can put the little one on top of the big one. And of course you can put them in your collector case. Right there. Oh, fell down. And they do roll. So, and there's track. I have track around here for them too, which is pretty cool. So there is the Redline Fleetside. And let's see, what's the other one we have? Oh, this is the Redline. This is the Redline Super Van. Here is the package, of course. You know, the nice thing I like about these guys is they send me the packaged product, and then they send me some loose ones so I can open them up and have fun with them. Because you know me, I like packaging. So let's get our Supervan, flamed Redline Supervan out. got it. All right, cool. Man, this thing's heavy. Wow. It's got red lines on it. So we got those two. And what is the other one we got here? Oh, that's the Australian one there. What the heck is the name of that? That is the fished and chipped. So that'd be English, not Australian. And yeah, fished and chipped, which, you know, really doesn't go with the Redline era here, but hey, you know, I take it. And it's definitely not as heavy as these two here. So that's what we got from our friends at World's Smallest. I really dig the packaging on these. I like how they did the original Redline artwork and all that. You can get these a lot of different places. I know Cracker Barrel has them. Some of the drugstores have them. And sometimes Walmart gets them. But yeah, there's a lot of different places you can find these. Usually, you know, at the checkout sometimes too. But I know that a lot of the drugstores have these. And, oh, it says right there, fished and chipped, 2003. Wow. So, yeah, they're really, really cool. I like them. You know, you definitely don't want them for little kids because, you know, you definitely put that in their mouth and they're gone. So, but for the bigger kids, you know, like us, like me, they're really cool. And let's see what... there's a whole bunch of different ones. You guys know. I mean, look in my folders here. You know, we have a whole bunch of videos from the World's Smallest, and you know, their parent company is Super Impulse, and you can see a lot of this stuff at superimpulse.com. And there's, like I said, they got not only Hot Wheels, but they have all kinds of cool, really tiny stuff. So, put these over here. You know what? Let's do this. There is the full size, and there is the miniature, the World's Smallest Hot Wheels from Super Impulse. And you can see all this stuff again, like I said, at superimpulse.com. I want to thank these guys. You know, they're always great. Sending us all kinds of fun stuff. And again, you know, for sending the package stuff and for stuff that I can open up. It's always so much fun. So, again, check them out if you can, when you can. And, you know, they're just a lot of fun. Like I said, they do have track sets, too. I know I got some somewhere. But, and they work. And I got a loop and all that in them. So, there you go. I want to thank you guys again for watching Hot Wheels TV. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Please subscribe. Click that little bell there so you get notified of every new episode that we put out. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends about Hot Wheels TV. And, of course, please be kind to one another. Oh, and we do have merchandise on our merch page listed in the bottom below the comments and stuff, or in between the comments. And check it out. We have t-shirts and hoodies and stickers and all kinds of cool stuff. Okay, so until the next time we see you right here in Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.